Do you want to play a YouTube video on repeat without clicking replay every time? Whether it's music, tutorials, or study videos, in this video, I'll show you how to loop a YouTube video easily. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Cloveron Tech News, and on this channel, I create simple tech tutorials that save you time. Please like this video and subscribe for more YouTube tips. Looping a YouTube video means the video restarts automatically after it ends, so it keeps playing again and again without interruption. Method 1. Open YouTube in your browser. Play the video you want to loop. Right-click directly on the video. Click Loop. That's it. The video will now repeat automatically. To stop looping, right-click again and uncheck Loop. Method 2. Now let's do this on a phone. 1. Open the YouTube app. 2. Play the video. 3. Tap the settings icon. 4. Tap Loop Video. Once enabled, the video will keep repeating. If you don't see the loop option, update your YouTube app to the latest version. If this video helped you, please like it so others can find it easily. Comment "loop" if you want more YouTube tips, and don't forget to subscribe. That's how you loop a YouTube video on phone and PC in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.